Hello, my name is Meenakshi Milind Mote. I am from Satara city. I have completed my BCom Bank Management degree in Dhananjay Rao Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara, and now I am pursuing my Masters in Bank Management in Dhananjay Rao Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara. When I was student of BCom Bank Management, once I attended the Entrepreneurship Awareness Camp, which is organized by Entrepreneurship and Skill Development Cell by Commerce and Management Department. After completing this program, I was motivated to set up my own business and now I am running it successfully. Rupees 40,000 seed money provided by Entrepreneurship Skill Development Cell. Through I was purchased some equipment which is required for my karate club, that is karate mat, punching bag, fitness equipment, some workout equipment. I am very thankful to Dr. T.D. Mahanwar sir, S.A. Kurkude madam, Seema Landge madam, Dr. Yadav sir and all faculty members which always cooperate me and guidance me for my business. Thank you all of you.